vegetable. Usually I eat rice first. Then after eat the rice, I go pray. After pray, I eat anything what I want.
When I buka, I eat rice, chicken or egg.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our third rendition of the Healthy Ramadan series. Today I'm going to share with you about how to avoid wastage. Now, in Islam, we highly encourage people not to waste their food, especially during Ramadan. The purpose of Ramadan and fasting in Ramadan is so that we appreciate food better and not waste it. And wastage is the worst form of gratitude. So, how do we prevent wastage during this fasting month? First of all, try not to shop when you're hungry. Because when we're hungry, we tend to want to buy everything. So we need to prepare or at least practice some restraint whenever we go shopping for food, especially when we are still fasting. Next, we also want to make sure that the food that are stored properly, because when food are stored properly in the fridge, for example, they can actually last longer and we can actually keep them for a longer period without wasting the food. Next, you also want to cut down on the amount of food. Funnily, normally during fasting month, we tend to buy more than what we usually eat when we are not fasting, even though it's just for one meal. So try to cut down on food. Normally we want to eat more than usual, but practice restraint in that as well, because we don't need to eat so much. Next, try to resist bargains, because when you see food on offer, for example, you buy 3, you get 1 free and things like that, you tend to buy more. And when you do that, you end up with more food than you initially can finish. So just stick to what you can finish and what you can eat. You don't want to end up with a lot of excess food. Most importantly, plan ahead. Especially for mothers who are preparing food, please ask the people who are going to break fast with you what are the food that they want to eat, what kind of food they prefer, so that they don't end up not eating the food. And also find out who will be eating at home with you, because if you don't prepare properly, then you end up with a lot of leftovers. And try to prepare food that is just right for the number of people. I know we all have a lot of iftar and bring a lot of people over, so also put that into consideration and try not to over prepare food. So I hope everyone have a healthy and happy Ramadan and prevent wastage, especially during this holy month. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.